For Halloween every year, my husband and I make Moscow mules. We'll both sit on our front porches handing out treats.
I get together with my next door neighbor, we make cocktails and we sit on my driveway so we can catch kids going both places.
I always have a huge Halloween party. Calabrian and sweet tomato fennel spray. It's very versatile, so you can do it for appetizers, but you can also do it for comfort food. Throw it on some pasta.
Ours is the cucumber habanero, and we like it just because it has the kick. It's our most popular flavor, and especially this time of year with the Moscow mules.
You know, I think Annette and I experienced all these crazy growth pains for the last year and a half. You know, Annette had a relationship with you all and was like, hey, if we can learn from them, then maybe we can help them. We've created 3 different bundles to share with you throughout this holiday season. They all include one of our jars of Bellisari spreads or sauces, paired with one of Route 23's fantastic bottles of simple syrup. They're available on both of our websites and make great gifts for the upcoming holiday season.